Day 2 for Army Recognition Group at ADEX 2022. The defense exhibition takes place at the Baku Expo Center in Azerbaijan.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Vasily Kruglov. I work at Rosoboronexport, which is part of Rostec Corporation, and we are today in Baku. We have the whole list of companies came under the umbrella of Rosoboronexport to represent their assets: Air Force, Navy, Air Defense, Land Forces, anything you wish. Let's begin with the Land Forces assets. We'll have a look at the mock-ups of Chrysanthema S, self-propelled anti-tank missile system. The next one is BMPT, tank support combat vehicle with two A42 30mm autocannons and 4 ATGMs. Then we have Buk M2 air defense missile system and artillery systems such as upgraded Msta S self-propelled howitzer in 155mm caliber. It's a KA-52 scout and combat attack helicopter and transport aircraft for your armed forces and civilian needs. We have the whole selection of modern armor, such as the most advanced T-90MS with powerful armament, proper protection. The tank has been tested in the most rigorous climatic and geographical zones with remote controlled weapon station in 12.7mm machine gun. Then we have TOS-1A, the heavy flamethrower system, which is extremely efficient, one of the most efficient weapons due to thermobaric rockets. There are 24 of them, and they can engage targets at distances from 600 meters up to 6,000 meters. At Technodynamica we have Balkan. It's a 40mm automatic grenade launcher, the whole list of 30mm ammunition, 12.7 40mm grenades, and Kalashnikov. Definitely we have the small arms, so popular all over the world. Here we have most modern PLK in various versions, MPL, the standard length barrel, the short barrel version. This is the most modern PPK-20 9x19mm Luger with all the modern twists like M-locks, Picatinny rails, foldable buttstock. You can see 100 series, which has been in service with armed forces all over the world and still popular. It can be augmented with various add-on accessories, and the upper one is equipped with GP34 UBGL underbarrel grenade launcher in 40mm. The ammunition at Technodynamica there for that grenade launcher. So I guess we had a brief overlook. We've seen some assets. There are lots of interesting assets, material, ammo, anything you like.
My name is Ilya Niliev. I'm the regional sales manager of Optics JSC for Central Asia and for Africa. We are specializing in the design, manufacturing and testing of optoelectronic, optomechanical components, as well as assemblies. And we develop from this basis, we develop our own production, night vision sights and devices, thermal imaging sights and devices, clip-ons, binoculars, sights. And we also have our integrated systems production line, where we not only produce thermal imaging cameras, day vision cameras, panoramic devices, and laser rangefinders, but we also do integration. I'm gonna show you our premium thermal imaging binocular, Bidentifier 100, an exclusive thermal imaging binocular, uncooled, 640x480 resolution, 17 micron. It is primarily used for observation during day and night time, up to 6 kilometer detection of vehicles. A second very popular product is our thermal imaging clip-on ZIR 100. It is mounted in front of optical day vision scope for distances above 1.5 kilometers. So usually it is mounted on a Picatinny rail in front of the day scope and on heavy calibers, up to 50 caliber. Another part of our product portfolio, our integrated systems for perimeter protection. They're based on thermal cameras, which are uncooled cameras, thermal cameras and cooled thermal cameras depending on the distances that needs to be covered. And they're usually used for borderline security, borderline protection, as well as they can be used for perimeter protection of strategic areas. These multi-sensors, they can be also mounted on vehicles. So we are not only providing the cameras, but we are providing the complete solutions. We also have expertise in telecommunication, so we can also transfer the signal, providing a turnkey solution that is advantageous for the customer.
My name is Ilgis. I'm Chief Design Engineer of company Kazakhstan Paramount Engineering. Our company from Kazakhstan. Now we're proud to introduce our new vehicles. This new vehicle, it is Alantul. It is a new multi-purpose platform with wheel formula 4x4. It has superior mobility because it has a good independent suspension. Clearance more than 455 millimeters. It is one of the best or maybe best around the world in this class. Second point, it is very fast. We can move around 80 kilometers per hour on off-road. It's very fast. This vehicle, actually now we have diesel engine, 300 horsepower, but in future we can fit here up to 400 horsepower. From 0 to 100 kilometers per hour speed will reach less than 30 seconds. This vehicle was designed for not only for normal army. It was designed for special forces also, because modern soldier has a lot of equipment, ammunition, some protection. It's pretty big and huge guys. I'm around 180 centimeters. You have a lot of space above me, and I have enough space around. We tried to make as simple interface as possible. No necessary very high level of knowledge of drive. Same story about control system of turret. It is very simple also. Turret for 12 millimeter machine gun. I think militaries understand us. Radio station was integrated in the panel directly. This vehicle can be upgraded for mine protection also. Mine protection armor and can withstand anti-tank mine. We have a very strong bumper in front. It is a very strong structure and we can push something. Also, we have very strong winch. We fitted over-designed winch because if you sit in mud and stuck, normal winch not working in reality. In this configuration, between 9 and 11 persons. Also, this vehicle can be made in configuration 6x6 if it's necessary. This vehicle has automatic CTS system. It can drive through sand, through off-road, through highway, doesn't matter. Just driver, just push button and it change type of pressure inside of wheels. I think we expect new contract and recognition around the world. In Kazakhstan can do design and can build vehicles.
My name is Ivan Garchev. I am Executive Director of the company Optico Electron Group, Bulgaria. Our company is specialized in producing of optical mechanical devices. That include a very huge range of optical elements, mechanical parts, fine mechanical parts, and we have big part of assembly where we are doing most of the devices you see here. Look, first, Baku is a new market. Azerbaijan as well is new market, and we want to make make more or less connection with the local partners. Azerbaijan is using typically Russian made systems and that's what we make and upgrade of systems. Another very important target for us is to find partner in border security. We have done a lot of projects in Bulgaria, the region and Europe. Main product are the mobiles. Additionally, we are doing also stationary observation and surveillance posts, many of them which include the same multi-sensor technology. We have very huge, we are making more than 100 products. Let me say, for devices for small arm, a lot of night vision Google. We are making the lightest night vision Googles. In the last few years we developed a very bright series of thermal. Also we are doing a lot of application for tanks, periscopes. We are doing semi-stationary. This is very interesting because this is a container with a long mast. You can place wherever you want. The systems are working very, very good in Bulgaria, where they are in use continuous, because we have huge problems at the moment with the migration. We have a lot of data during these years and we know how to build them the best way.